In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to LinkedIn with just one click, following our comprehensive 2025 guide. This process is incredibly straightforward and will streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful platforms. Let's dive into the steps and make sure it's as easy for you as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot user guide page. You can find this easily by heading over to your HubSpot dashboard and looking for the user guide section. It's always important to familiarize yourself with this area as it contains a wealth of information to help you navigate the platform effectively. Once you're at the user guide page, the next step is to click on the marketplace. The marketplace is a central hub where you can find various tools and apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot, helping you to enhance the capabilities of your existing setup. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize your HubSpot experience to better meet your business needs. After you've clicked on the marketplace, the next step is to select Apps. In this section, you'll find a wide range of applications that can be integrated into your HubSpot account. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout and the variety of options available. Today, we're focused on linking LinkedIn, but there are plenty of other tools you might find useful here down the road. Now, with the list of apps in front of you, it's time to type LinkedIn into the search bar. This will filter the applications and help you quickly locate the LinkedIn app that you want to connect with your HubSpot account. Searching directly will save you time and effort, ensuring that you can proceed efficiently. Once you've identified the LinkedIn app on the screen, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's main screen, where you'll find more detailed information about the app and what it can do for you. It's always a good idea to explore this section a bit to ensure it aligns with what you're aiming to achieve with the integration. The final step in this simple process is to install the app. You'll see an option right there on the page that says Install App. Click it, and you'll be prompted through a couple of quick steps to finalize the installation and integration of LinkedIn with your HubSpot account. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to complete this process. And there you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to LinkedIn, making it easier to manage your professional networks and enhance your marketing strategies. Remember, this integration is designed to make your life easier, offering you sleek solutions and more streamlined operations. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.